Hi guys, today I am going to share my simple strategy that will help you earn 1330 on binary option trading. So don't miss my new working trading strategy. Subscribe to this channel to keep to date with all the updates. Don't miss your chance to improve your financial result. Check out my Telegram channel to get free trading signals and get answers to your questions directly from me. Let's start working together on your success. Subscribe now and start moving towards your goals. Are you ready? Come on. I am an expert in the trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from the trading. Use strategies to make money trading with the minimum risk. You can use my strategies that I saw and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions while trading. Always conduct an analysis before the operations. So I know you are eager to get down to businesses, but follow me closely and click like to start this journey to success together. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%, and my strategy is based on one key indicator, Ichimoku cloud. With this indicator, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is very simple here. If the general direction of the chart is going down, then this is our signal to go down. Just the opposite. And now the settings, I will leave everything to the basic settings. I turn on only one Ichimoku indicator. I leave the standard setting for the indicator. Now turn on the candles and set the interval to 1 minute. The transaction time is 1 minute and you can start. I start with the amount of $100. That's what we will going out with at $1,330. It's really huge amount. We open USDT CAD OTC and open our first short trade in the amount of $100 only. Here we observe the intersection of the lines in the Ichimoku indicator in the direction of the decline and the general downward movement of the chart. We saw how our first deal confidently goes into the plus. The balance is $191 and it's really cool. So looking for a path to financial success, join our trading team and receive daily signals to successful trading. Increase your earnings with us. The link is available in the description. We put the amount of $191 on the second deal and analyze the situation and make a deal for a decrease. Here the indicator also shows us a decline by crossing the line. I am happy with my choice. Olymp Trade is an honest broker that I have never encountered problems with. So all conclusions are transparent and fast. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning on the platform. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. So our second deal end in a plus and our balance is already $364. So now we are raising our transaction amount by $364 and now we are looking for the next situation that is suitable for us, and this time we open a downgrade deal. In this case, the indicator shows the decline of the chart and the general momentum is going down. This is our signal to lower the index. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance is $696 guys. This time we are opening the last deal for a raise. In this case, the indicator shows the rise of the chart and overall momentum is going up. This is our signal to increase the index. So the deal is over and the next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance is $1,330 guys. So our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $1,330 from just $100. So all our deals were confidently successfully closed. We saw the success of the strategy that I saw you. So good luck and good profits to everyone. Are you ready to increase your income through trading? Join my Telegram channel and use my referral link to receive bonus on Olymp Trade. Don't miss the chance to increase your incomes. And if you like it, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye, future crypto millionaires.